Hello, hello, hello. This is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Here is a video that I have gathered. It's a new design that I'm working on, and I did do part one, so please stay tuned for part two. That's going to be coming up pretty soon. I'm just working on this one so I can show it to you as I go. It's one of a kind that I'm working on, and yeah. The yarn is Lion Brand hand spun yarn. So it's going to be a knit blazer collar coat cardigan. So stay tuned. Yeah, I bought a cone from Iplic Outlet a couple of years ago and finally had a chance to work on it. Just love it how it's going on so far. So I will see you pretty soon. Thank you.